Hey everyone, welcome back to K-Talk. I'm K, and it's Monday, June 16th, 2025. Let's dive into what happened with the US stock market and last week and get an update on Bitcoin. Last week, the US stock market rallied to a new high since the April rebound, but then it pulled back, looking pretty exhausted. I think this rebound might be over. First, let's talk about the international situations. Things are super tense in the Middle East, which definitely going to shake up the market. And the trade issues, they seem to be moving at a snail's pace. From a news perspective, this negative headline are not going any positive for the market. So, with all the bad news, I don't see any possibility or opportunity to go long. So let's look at the Nasdaq. The 4-hour chart is really interesting. Initially, a 30-minute consolidation expand downward. This 30-minute consolidation downward and then expand into a 4-hour consolidation. But then it expanded upwards. So we see a very interesting expansion here. Can we break down this big 4-hour call? Can we break down this 4-hour consolidation? The answer is the consolidation that is somewhere between a 4-hour and a daily level. We even call it a larger than a 4-hour level. After all, the US stock market's opening hour is different from the Bitcoin, so their levels are not quite the same. Let's call the greater than 4-hour level for now. This is a greater than a 4-hour level now. And really a 4-hour consolidation combined with a 30-minute consolidation. This is the 4-hour consolidations, and combining a 30-minute consolidation. So it's a combining consolidations. Forming a 4-hour plus 30-minute structures. The chain is currently moving from that 30-minute consolidation back down into the 4-hour consolidation. It's essentially form a larger 4-hour level consolidation. So I think the chance of a new high are pretty slim now. The rebound's momentum has really slowed down and the direction has started to turn downward. So things are not looking positive for the US stock market. Let's check the other two major indexes. The S&P 500 4-hour chain. This is S&P 4-hour chains. It's similar as the Nasdaq, and its 30-minute level consolidation is here. It's even smaller than the Nasdaq. Okay, so it means the upward momentum at the 30-minute level is very weak. It's even weaker than the Nasdaq. And there is, just looking at the Dow Jones, which is weakest of the three major indexes. And you can see it consistently in a large 4-hour bear market zone. This is not a break up to the bigger blueberry line, so it's still in the 4-hour bear market zone. So there is a high possibility to the Dow will be in a weekly level consolidation. This is what I draw before. You can see maybe he will downwards and form a 4-hour level, a weekly level consolidations. Okay, so overall the US stock market looks bearish, so we need to be cautious. Finally, let's look at the Bitcoin. Let's look at the Bitcoin's 4-hour chart. Okay, we can see that Bitcoin's entire 4-hour level has expanded into a daily level consolidation. Yes, this is the first 4 consolidations, and then second, third, and this is the fourth. So this 4-hour consolidations form daily consolidations. So it's indeed a daily level consolidation. Then we can expect this consolidation to last for a very long time, possibly several months. Of course, this consolidation needs to be held. Otherwise, Bitcoin's bull market will end. So if Bitcoin is going into a bear market, it probably won't happen that fast. Bitcoin is starting to form a new daily level consolidation, which is a long process. This also suggests that Bitcoin's bull market might not be over yet. After the daily level consolidation is broken, upward the daily consolidation, Bitcoin could potentially see even higher prices. So, alright, this is my quick market review of US stock market and Bitcoin for today. If you like today's analysis, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to keep up with the market pulse every day with KTalk. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.